Namaste, children. Today we are learning again. I'm giving some more stories how to write. Okay, hinted story writing. Now we are learning again hinted story writing. Now we are learning story writing with the given hints. Outline we will give no the same outline. I had given some outline. I developed a story with pictures. So just get the story how to write. Here I will read that outline given outline what given outline, some phrases are given. Tortoise is walking on the road. Is seen by a hare. Hare laughs at the tortoise for his very slow speed. Bet for race. Tortoise moving with his slow speed. Hare moves fast but sleeps. Tortoise reaches winning point first. Wins the bet. Here, the given clues are in the present tense. The given clues are in the present tense. See, tortoise walking on the road, seen by a hare. Hare laughs. Okay, slow speed. Tortoise moving, slow speed. Hare moves. Tortoise reaches. Based on these verbs, we come to know that the given phrases, the given hints are in the present tense. Can we write the story in the present tense? No. We have to change into past tense. So while before writing the story, first four things we have to remember. The story should be elaborated with the given hints. Okay. And the story always should be written in the past tense. Okay. And the story should have a title and a moral. Okay. And the story, don't we should not add anything in between. Okay, irrelevant or no, the topic relevant points we should add. We should not write our own idea in the story writing. Irrelevant topic, irrelevant unnecessary ideas, irrelevant ideas we should not include in that. If you want write that kind of writing skill you can develop, but while giving if you want to good marks, don't add any irrelevant matter in the story. Okay, now see here. Once, always once there was a tortoise like that in a forest. Once there was a tortoise in the forest. Once there was a good tortoise in the forest. Once a tortoise was walking on the road with his natural speed. See here, added here. In the previous slide, what given? Tortoise walking on the road. Only one sentence is one phrase is given. Okay, it's a sentence. Once walking on the road. Sometimes you may get tortoise walking road seen by hare. Like that only you will get. Sometimes you will get the only phrases. Sometimes you will get the sentences also. See here, the same one sentence, one phrase developed into a. See, you had a natural speed. They added natural speed. Once a tortoise was walking on the road with his natural speed. A hare saw him. At first, he laughed at the slow speed of the tortoise. Then he commented, "What a slow speed!" The tortoise became sad and angry. See the hints previous. Tortoise walking on the road, seen by a hare. Hare laughs at the tortoise for his very slow speed. Okay, till here, one, two, three, three sentences given here. But here we made three sentences only. One, two, three, four, three sentences, but long. And what a slow speed! Add an exclamation sentence also. Four, five sentences we made and meaningful. The sentence agreed with the subject and verb. Okay, subject and verb agreement. The story started writing in the past tense. Okay, we have to see all these, and you added natural speed adjectives here. What is slow speed? Exclamatory sentences also. You are expressing when we use exclamatory sentences, when you are expressing your feelings. Okay, we use sudden feeling, strong feeling. That time we have to use exclamatory sentences. The tortoise became sad and angry. It is not given in the sentence, in the clue. You added all this. Okay, once a tortoise was walking on the road with his natural speeds. Here, starting sentence of the story should start an interesting point. Like while reading, the reader should have some interest. Suppose if I write once a tortoise was walking, a hare saw him. First, at first he laughed and said, "What a slow, uh, what a slow speed you have." The tortoise became angry and sad. See, if you write like this, you can't create the interest in the reader. The story, while writing the story, the reader should have, you have to be as a reader. You have to think like a reader and write the story. Then you can add some adjectives. Some always think that you should be in that character. Then you can write your ideas, your imagination. You can improve your creative writing skill. Okay. Second, but he did not lose her patience. It is not given in the sentence. He said to Hare, "Do you want to have a race with me?" The hare again laughed at this and said, "What do you say? A race with you? Quite surprising." See, these are not there in the given sentence, not at all. See, bet for a race. Only based on this phrase, the full these lines were developed. But he did not lose her patience. He said to Hare, "Do you want to have a race with me?" The hare again laughed at this and said, "What do you say? A race with you? Quite surprising." See, they are expressing, see, a quotation marks, they kept question mark. See, this is the dialogue, okay, between two, hare and a tortoise. You should write in that way. The tortoise smiled only and said nothing. See, a tortoise did not say anything. The date and time of the race was fixed. The old monkey was made the judge. So, in between the race, the old monkey enacting as a judge, and the date was approached. The date was near. Okay, one day when the race was going to be held, both the hare and the tortoise gathered at the fixed place and time. The race started. The hare ran very fast. See this picture, movement of that hare. He can run it can run very fast, but tortoise cannot run. It walks slowly. But see, a very run. The faster animal and slower animals between the race started. See, on the day when the race was going to be held, both the hare and tortoise gathered at the fixed place and time. The race started. So one day they fixed, no, the date and time was fixed. So the fixed date they came here. Here, tortoise moving. They did not give with this one also here. Observe this. Okay. Only points. The story. You should create a story with your ideas. And the meaning of the story should not go away with your ratings. No, that means you should not add any more irrelevant topics here. They added more sentences, but those sentences are, here we added more sentences, those sentences are related to the story only. Okay, next, the tortoise he moved with his natural speed. After moving to a place, the hare stopped and looked back. There is no trace of the tortoise. Let me have a rest for some time, thought the hare, and sat under a tree to take rest. Then he slept. See that in the given hints, what hare moves fast but sleeps. Only the tortoise moving with his slow speed. These two sentences, based on these two sentences, here the tortoise moved with his natural speed. After moving to a place, the hare stopped and looked back. Here, tortoise moved with a natural speed, but that in the previous slide, what uh, the hare ran very fast. It started very fast and running very fast. But hare did the tortoise did not do, moving very natural speed, moving very slow. Its natural speed is going, it's not going very fast, it's not going very slow, its own speed it's going. After moving a place, what tata is the hare moving to a place, stopped and looked back. There is no trace of the torta is not following her, following the uh, hare. So it observed that, and it thought that it looked down the tortoise, and it thought that there is no trace of the tortoise. Let me have a rest for some time, thought the hare, and sat under a tree to take rest. Then he slept. Obviously, no, after running some time, we feel to take rest. It also felt the same thing, and it took rest. Well, how he took? He slept by sleeping under a tree. He took rest. It took rest. The tortoise moved on and on. It is not stopped that work. Slowly it's doing. Okay. Saw the hare sleeping and moved on the winning point. So it saw the that what a hare was sleeping under a tree and moved on to the winning point. He did not say, tortoise will hare will get up. No, by that time I will reach the ending point. He did not think about in that way. By looking at that hare, he it did not stop and it continued the same pace. When the hare got up, he saw the tortoise approaching the winning point. When it crossed the hare, when the tortoise crossed the hare, tortoise did not know. The hare did not know it is crossing. Immediately after a few minutes, it got up from his sleep. He ran fast, but alas, he could not reach the winning point before the tortoise, as it already reached, is approaching the winning point. But tortoise, when the hare got up from his sleep and running, after running very fast also, it could not reach the winning point, as it the tortoise already reached the winning point. The tortoise reached the winning point before the hare and won the race. What is the race between? Who will reach the winning finishing point first? They will be the winner. But who won the race? Tortoise. So we should, what we learn, we should not look down upon others. So everyone has their unique style of learning, unique style of living, unique style of answering. Okay, we should not look down upon others. We have to leave their free space. We have to leave them in their own way. They will do their work. Okay, Slow and steady wins the race. See what the hare ran very fast and he slept. He took s- rest. After running very fast, he took rest. But what you should be while achieving something, you should not stop working. Okay, continuously you have to be on that mood and do the work, and slowly you will win. You will get your achievement. Tortoise did not stop anywhere from the starting point till it reached the finishing point. Okay, we should not leave our work in between. We should achieve our goal. Slow and steady wins the race. It shows in that way. One more story. Uh, an old farmer, outline I'm reading. An old farmer, his sons always quarrel, sends for them, gives them a bundle of sticks. Sons unable to so, ask them to unite, untied the bundle, sticks broken by one, moral. So I had given here clues in wrong. First I gave bundle, then I gave single. But you have to make either single or bundle later. You can write your own. Okay, it's nothing wrong. You did not, you changed the two scenes, but those two scenes are there in the story. You are not adding an unwanted matter here. Okay, the farmer and the four sons. What is the title? The farmer and the four sons. There was a farmer. An old farmer is given. Once there was a old farmer, like that you can write. Or there was a farmer also, right? He had four sons. He did not give had four sons, but next line his sons always quarrel. They always quarreled with one another. See, the story had given in the hints are there in the present tense, but the story developed into a past tense. We should write the story in the past tense. The farmer was very sad. He advised them not to quarrel, but in vain. But he was tired to say that. One day the farmer fell ill. He knew that his end was near, means he's going to die. End was near means he's going to oh, uh, die, because he became an old person, no? Old man. He called his sons before his death. He wants to teach a lesson to the uh, sons. He called his sons. The farmer asked his sons to break the sticks one by one. Each son broke the sticks. Here in the picture, they had each one stick. First, he asked the sons, take each one stick and break it. Each son broke the sticks. Everybody broke the sticks, individual sticks, one stick. Okay. He gave them a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break it, but they failed to do so. See here, bundle of sticks. Each one has bundle of sticks. He had given each one bundle, asked them to break, but they failed to break the bundle of sticks. As there are more, they have only one. They can break it simple, but there are more than one. They cannot break easily. The father said, be united like the bundle. If you are united, none or no one will harm you. The sons learned a lesson. They never quarreled again. See the hints. We will go once here. An old farmer, his sons always quarrel, sends for them, gives a bundle of sticks to break. Sons unable to do so, ask them to uh, unite, untied the bundle. untied the bundle, sticks broken one by one. So this some confusion. I made it wantedly. I did this to learn you, to make you learn. Okay, sometimes we will give like this phrases, but you should get the story. Even though if you have like these phrases, you should develop a good story with appropriate moral. Okay, union is strength, or united we stand, divided we fall. That is also correct moral story. Okay, I think you are free now of learning this. After this PPT, I think you got how to write the hinted story with the given outline or the phrases. Okay, I will. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.